Cone. Made from polyurethane, the 14 Bahraini dinars 6 inches by 9 inches speakers provide a resilient and durable material that can offer great sound with the advantage of long-lasting speakers. Voice coil. Our voice coils are able to withstand high temperatures yet maintain its strength and fatigue properties. This gives our speakers the advantage of longer play times with lower weights. Surround. Rubber has the ability to endure much punishment without any sign of damage. It complements the whole structure of the speaker by allowing constant abuse where it is most needed, without the wear and tear. Basket. The stamped basket offers a strong and rigid platform allowing the listener to hear clean and clear music output. Tweeter. Polyimide is a synthetic film. It is resilient to humidity and very light. They don't need a lot of power to drive them efficiently. Warranty. Boss Audio Systems provides a powerful 3-year platinum online dealer warranty so long as the purchase is made through Amazon.com. We strongly encourage professional installation of this product to ensure proper and safe functionality. Top reviews from the United States. Great kit. Step for step a easy lid cutout kit. The speakers have decent sound.